Welcome back to Hands-On Equations. We're going to be working some word problems today. So for number 1, Mary went to the store and spent $12. She bought 3 equally priced notebooks. How much did each one cost? So first we want to know, what is our pawn going to be? It says how much did each one cost? So our pawn is going to be how much each notebook cost. I'm going to draw my balance. Mary went to the store and spent $12. So that's how much the total that she spent. She bought 3 equally priced notebooks. So if a pawn is how much each notebook cost, we have 3 notebooks. So we have 3 pawns. How much did each one cost? So if we have 3 pawns equals 12, then 1 pawn equals 4. And then we write our sentence. We're going to write a complete sentence that answers the question. How much did each one cost? So I'm going to write each notebook cost $4. We knew that sentence was going to be what we had to write because our pawn was equal to how much each notebook cost. So we knew that each notebook cost $4. So now we have to do our check. We have 12 on the left, and we have 4, 8, 12 on the right. So 12 equals 12. That is a check. Okay, so now we're going to slide over to problem number 2. Sue and George each purchased a game. Together, the games cost $16. Sue's game was $7. How much was George's game? So we need to decide what is pawn going to be equal to. So we look at our last sentence. How much was George's game? So the pawn is going to be the cost of George's game. So we're going to draw our balance now. Sue and George each purchased a game. So we know that Sue and George, what they purchased is going to be on the left. Together, the games cost $16. So our total is $16 over here. Sue's game was $7. How much was George's game? Well, we know that pawn is the cost of George's game. And it says that Sue and George each purchased a game. So we know we're going to have a pawn here for the cost of George's game, and then a 7 for the cost of Sue's game. So 7 plus pawn equals 16. Let's solve. If we remove 7 from the left, we have to remove 7 from the right, and 16 minus 7 is 9. So that tells us what our pawn is. What's the value of pawn? That's going to be $9. Now we're going to go back to our sentence up here for what pawn stands for. And we're going to write our sentence that George's game cost $9. Are we done? Not yet. We have to do our check. We always do our check. If we do our check and we don't get the right numbers, then we know that we did something wrong and we need to go back and correct it. So let's plug in 9. What's 7 plus 9? 7 plus 9 is 16. And we started with a 16 on the right, so 16 equals 16, and that is a check.
Good check.
Let's do problem number 3, and then you guys are going to be doing problems 4 through 6. Sam bought 2 packages of small fries and a Big Mac. He spent a total of $7. If the Big Mac cost $3, how much did each package of small fries cost? So I'm going to underline some things. 2 packages of fries and a Big Mac. He spent a total of $7. If the Big Mac cost $3, how much did each package of small fries cost? So we're going to start with what pawn is equal to. What is the question at the end? How much did each package of small fries cost? So pawn is the cost of 1 package of fries. Then we write our balance, draw our balance. So we bought 2 packages of small fries and a Big Mac. So we're going to have 2 small fries and a Big Mac over here. He spent a total of $7. So if the 7 was his total, that's going to go there. So we need 2 small fries over here and a Big Mac. So what are we calling 2 small fries? Well, the cost of 1 package of fries is pawn. So if we have 2 fries, it's going to be 2 pawns. And then the Big Mac costs $3. So now we need to solve. If we take 3 away from the left, we have to take 3 away from the right, and that leaves us with 4 on the right. We have 2 pawns equals 4, so pawn has a value of what? 4 divided by 2 is 2, so pawn is equal to 2. And then we need to answer the question in sentence format. So if 1 package of fries is $2, well, that's all we need to write. 1 package of fries cost $2. Are we done now? Not quite. We still need to do the check. So if pawn is equal to 2, we have 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. That's our solution for the left. And we only had a 7 on the right, so that is a check. Now you're going to go ahead and do problems 4, 5, and 6, and I'll meet you online at 2 o'clock to help you with that. Have a great day.